Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Boolean operations command is discussed here, and previous lecture two command is discussed here. First is add and second is remove, and today discuss here a intersect and union trim. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 58 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, Boolean operation command is very important use in CATIA, and this is a Boolean operation command is difficult, but today you can see here easily learn here, and this video is very helpful for learn a Boolean operation command. And you can see here two 3D commands is easily learn here. And guys, okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this 3D body is previous body, and not change here, but color is change. This body is drawing. How to this body is drawing at first before lecture is discussed here. Lecture is 57, and you can see here clearly, but 58 lecture is a this 3D body is a drawing here. Okay, and color is change here, because this is a this color is a this color, and also this body color is change here. This is a this color. Okay, and this color is also good looking here. This is a this color not mention. This color is a okay, this color is a perfect, and you can see here looking is nice. Okay, and okay, and today discuss here two command is very important, and two command is a first is intersect and second is a union trim. Okay, this command is intersect, and this command is a intersect command. Okay, click here, and first intersect body, first body 2 and body 3 is discussed here. Body 2 at first select here, and this is a second is a body 3. Okay, and this is a preview is showing here. This is a intersect part. Okay, and this is a okay, and this part is ready, but this undo, and this is a remaining part you can see here. And this you can this intersect is click here, and next and this body 3 is at first select here, and this body 2 is select here. Okay, this preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, and again this body is undo, and at first select a body 2 and again body 3. Okay, and preview is showing here. Okay, same is okay, and okay, and second is a union trim. Union trim is this is a undo. Okay, and this command is learn here, and next command is union trim, and union trim is select here, and this body all body is a select here, and this is open. Okay, and union trim is a trim is body is select here, and this is a trim body 3, and select a face. Okay, with this and face remove this face, and this face is removed, then preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, and again, okay, again body is a okay. Again this body is click here, and one part is a extra command is used. This is a cell command. Okay, this okay, this is a okay, cell command is used. This face, select a face belong to the support volume. Okay, error. Okay, this is a this body is cell command is not used. Okay, okay, no problem. But okay, this is a union trim is select here. Okay, this is a undo. Okay, this is a undo. Okay, this is a this. Okay, not select here. This body is a cell operation. Okay, this is a face is removed. Okay, this thickness is a not mentioned. Okay, no problem. But this body you can see here, and you can see here this body, and use a this select this body, and with this body, okay, face remove, face keep. This body is select here, face keep, and select this body. Okay, and remove, preview is showing here. This body is okay, and okay, this is a okay. But again select a this union trim is okay. This is a undo. Okay, click here, undo. Okay, and okay, this union trim is select here. This body is okay, and select face remove, this face and this face. Okay, and body is okay. This is a correct. Okay, okay, and CATIA union trim is a large number of practice, then a CATIA tutorial is showing here. This channel is available here, and this a large number of practice of Boolean operation command, and this is a very important. CATIA tutorial is available here, and project, all simple project is discussed here, and this is a very easily practical use. Okay, okay guys, two command is discussed here. First is intersect and second is union trim, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, any doubt about this today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.